What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3 against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM versus 6, a clean version of Android versus a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Find out in this video. Up first is the Nubia Red Magic 3. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Kirin 980 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 3 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Red Magic 3 wins by 9 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by 3 points. However, in round 2, the Red Magic 3 won by a massive 9 points. As for the price difference, it is about £180 between the two. The Red Magic 3 is a very good phone, but it is let down by poor software. As for the Mate 20 Pro, overall it is a very good phone with great battery and a solid camera. Right now there is a ban on Huawei, so you could possibly pick up the Mate 20 Pro on the cheap. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I will be getting the Redmi K20 Pro, so there will be speed tests, benchmarks and camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.